Hey guys, my name's Tyler Smith here with MarineMax, Texas MasterCraft, bringing you a nice piece of new inventory that we have. This is a 2023 Crest 220 DLX. As you can see on the back, we have that Mercury 200 back there, as well as our ski tow bar. So this is going to be a really capable boat out on the water. You'll be able to do all the water sports and everything that you guys want to do. As we step inside of the boat, we did option this as a center walk-through dual helm boat. So this is a really accessible layout, and it provides a ton of seating, uses the platform really well. So you can see we've got the loungers right there. There's storage underneath all of those all throughout. We have our dual helm chairs right here. Makes it really nice for your passenger whenever you're looking forward, as well as drawer storage right here. On the helm, we do have all of our switches, fusion head unit that's going to be Bluetooth as well, so you guys can play your music. And then we also have our low rance hook system. This is going to be your chart plotter, fish finder, depth finder, everything like that as well. And your cooled cup holder, which is a Crest staple. As we step forward into the boat, we have this same kind of dual lounger set up with the storage underneath and your removable cup holder. This makes it really nice and easy for the people who are out there on the boat. Again, this is a 2023 Crest 220 DLX. My name's Tyler Smith here with MarineMax Texas MasterCraft. Give me a call, we can get you squared away.